Everyone sees this move. Price goes up, pulls back, and goes up again. Most traders ignore it because it looks too simple. But this exact move is where the best trades are hiding, and the reason why most people miss them. Now look at this part carefully. Here, price breaks the previous structure. This is called a break of structure, and this is important because it tells us the market direction is starting to shift. Before this, price was moving down, but after this break of structure, buyers are showing strength, and this gives us a new idea. Instead of looking for sell trades, now we start focusing on buy opportunities. Now, before the real move, price comes here and takes the previous highs. This is called a liquidity sweep because many traders place their entries and stop losses above these highs, so the market moves up just to collect that liquidity. And once those orders are taken, price is now ready for the actual move. This is why this step is very important to understand. After this move, I focus on the area from where price pushed up strongly. This zone becomes important because it shows where buyers entered aggressively. So instead of chasing price, I wait for price to come back into this area because this is where I expect a reaction. Not randomly, but based on how price moved from here earlier. This is what we call a point of interest, and this is where I plan my trade. Now, before price reaches this area, I mark this small movement here. This is what we call inducement. It attracts traders and makes them believe the market will move in this direction. Many people enter from here, but this is where they get trapped, because this move is created to build liquidity before the real reaction. And after that, price moves towards our main zone. And above this area, we have a pool of liquidity. These are the previous highs, where many stop losses are placed. The market is naturally drawn towards these levels, because that's where the orders are. So instead of guessing direction, we use this as a target. This is what we call buy-side liquidity. Now price comes back into this area. This is where I look for my entry, because this zone has already shown strong buying pressure. So instead of entering randomly, I wait for price to return here. As soon as price taps into this area, I look for confirmation and enter the trade from this zone, because this is the point where buyers are most likely to step in again. Now watch what happens when price enters the zone. You can see it reacts from this area. Buyers are clearly active here. But notice the movement. Price is not moving aggressively. It is pushing up, but in a slow and controlled way. This tells us there is a reaction, but not a very strong one. And this small detail is important, because it helps us understand how strong this zone really is. Now price comes back into the same area again. This is the second time. And notice the reaction here. This time, price does not slow down. It moves away with more strength. No hesitation, no struggle, and continues pushing upward, directly towards the buy-side liquidity. This shows the zone is still being respected, and buyers are in control. So this is the important part. When a zone is strong, price reacts and moves away without hesitation. It does not stay there for too long, because strong buying pressure pushes price higher quickly. And this is exactly what we want to see. Clean reaction and a strong move away.